Good afternoon, everybody. Is my voice audible? Can someone answer?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. And my next question, is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you might be recalling or remembering that our last lecture was collapsed because of network issue. And the concept that we had started in our last lecture is none other than these types of interviews. Am I right? Yes or no? What had we started in our last lecture? Is it the right point or not? Do you remember or not? हमारे पिछले लेक्चर में हमने किस विषय के बारे में डिस्कशन शुरू किया था? So if you remember, it is good. If you don't remember, then also we are going to have discussion regarding it. Okay, so currently there are total 15 students. Up to the arrival of remaining students, we will have some discussion. Have you appeared for the unit test 2? Yes or no? Maybe on 25th of this month, right?
Yes, sir.
And I think the questions were on the same unit, that is unit number 3, right? Have you got the score of your examination, that is UT2? Have you got the score, your own score out of 20? Have you got or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So though that UT is over, with reference to our coming ISC examination, we have to focus on all these things whichever are visible on the screen. Okay. So now there are total 20 students. Let's start our discussion. So here you can see the point is types of interviews, and the first type is screening interview. Okay. Screening, as we have discussed in last lecture, is a kind of, can you tell what the meaning of screening is? Screening or filtering, I had told another word, filtration, filtering. Yes or no? So what is filtering? What is filtration? It is the selection of most deserving candidates and removing those candidates, those resumes which are not favorable. Are you clear? We know that the employers or the interviewers have their own choice. And in case of multiple applications, they go for this type of screening interview, or the interview conducted for filtration of candidates, filtration of most deserving candidates. Try to understand. Okay, so we'll go by lines and we will understand what this screening interview is. Okay. See, concentrate on the screen. The screening interview is like a preliminary meeting which is conducted after scrutiny of the candidate's resumes or CVs. This type of interview aims at assessment of the skills of the deserving candidates and screen out those applications which are not favorable. So I think this is very simple explanation which we can understand. Then in such interview, the first impression of the candidate depends upon his or her academic qualifications as well as work experience. And as I have told in last lecture, the two important things which are considered during this screening interview are the academic qualifications and work experience. Try to understand. Then, during such interviews, the candidate should try to convince the interviewer or interviewers about his or her better performance. Okay, that convincing is necessary, though you haven't a good qualification or good work experience, then by convincing also things can happen. Are you clear? That's why this convincing is necessary. Then after the screening interview, the candidates with strong qualifications as well as work experience are called for actual interview. Means their screening interview is one of the steps in the process of actual interview, we can say. Okay, I hope you have understood what this screening interview is. Then let's go ahead for the next type, that is telephonic interview. So the word itself tells what a telephonic interview is. So can you tell what will be the base of this type of interview? कशा स्वरूपाचे असेल, कशाच्या आधारे घेतली जात असेल, सांगा. इट्स व्हेरी सिंपल. Someone please go ahead. The title itself tells. I just want to check if you are here or not.
by mobile.
Correct. With the help of, you can say, cell phone or telephone. Okay, and that is true. So what will be the most important thing in a telephonic interview? किस आधार पर आपका सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा ऐसे टेलीफोनिक इंटरव्यू में? कौन सी बात ज्यादा अप्रिशिएट की जाएगी या एवेल्युएट की जाएगी, बता सकते हैं? See, physically that interviewer and interviewee are not together in such interview. Am I right? They are connected. That interviewer and interviewee are connected through telephone or through cell phone. Try to understand. And they are physically away from each other. That's why that body language and other aspects cannot be evaluated. The only thing that can be evaluated is your communication skills, how you put your thoughts into words, how you pronounce the words, which intonation patterns, stress patterns do you use, how logical you are in communication, how clear your pronunciations are. Am I right? It's very simple to understand. टेलीफोनिक इंटरव्यू में उस कैंडिडेट का जो इवैल्यूएशन होता है उसका आधार यही होता है कि वो कैंडिडेट कैसे खुद को प्रेजेंट करता है, कैसे बोलता है, कितना लॉजिकल है ना, उसके प्रोनाउंसिएशंस कितने क्लियर है वगैरह. इज इट मेकिंग सेंस और नॉट? इन मराठी तुम्ही तुमच्या विचारांची मांडणी कशी करताय है की नाही, त्याच्यावरून तुमचं पुढचं सिलेक्शन हे ठरलेलं असेल. सो विच केअर शुड वी टेक ड्युरिंग सच टेलिफोनिक इंटरव्ह्यूज? तर पहिली केअर आपल्याला ही घ्यायची आहे की वी हॅव टू फॉलो द गिवन टाइम. आहे की नाही, जेव्हा तुम्हाला आधीच सांगितलेलं असतं की ठराविक वेळी तुमची टेलिफोनिक इंटरव्ह्यू कंडक्ट केली जाणार आहे, तर ती वेळ तुम्ही पाळली पाहिजे. यू हॅव टू कीप युअर सेल्फ अवे फ्रॉम क्राउड अँड नॉईज. At that particular time, you have to keep yourself away from noise and crowd. Otherwise, there will be environmental barriers in your communication. You will not be able to hear what the interviewer is speaking. And on the other hand, that interviewer will not understand what you are speaking. Okay, so selection of calm and quiet place is necessary for telephonic interview. Secondly, we need to have our resume at our hands during that telephonic interview. Your question might be that why that resume is required. So I'd like to tell you, during that telephonic interview, you are under specific kind of stress. and there is possibility of forgetting some important details of your resume. Is it right? Yes or no? काहीतरी म्हणा, yes, no. Is my voice reachable? Is my voice audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हा, ठीक आहे. तर मग हा रिझ्यूम कशासाठी पाहिजे आपल्या हातामध्ये? तर we need to have all those details at the tip of our tongue. Okay. Secondly, we need to have some blank pages in our hands. So your question might be that why these blank pages are required. So during that conversation, some important things are communicated between that interviewer and interviewee, which may be forgotten afterwards. So to keep those things with you, you should note down whatever has been told. Okay. Again, one more important thing is that you can go for recording of that telephonic call. Is it good or bad? Recording of that telephonic call?
Good.
Why is it good? Because after that telephonic call, that interview, you can listen that audio again and again and try to rectify the errors in your communication. Which minus points were there in your communication? किंवा तुम्हाला याच्यातून ते पण कळेल की कोणते महत्त्वाचे मुद्दे बोलणं राहून गेले आहे की नाही, जेणेकरून next time whenever you will face such kind of interview, that time you will remember all those things at the right time. Okay, so these are the things which are here in these lines. We will have a quick reading of these lines, so concentrate on the screen. As its name suggests, telephonic interviews are mostly conducted for screening and eliminating less competent candidates. So again, it is one screening technique. Okay, if the telephonic interview is satisfactory, the candidates are called for personal face-to-face interview. To have a positive impact, that is impression or influence upon the telephonic